Well, how we doing? They finally are here. The nice new fucking fenders. So I got new OEM plastics and I had to have them shipped down. Gentleman in Canada went through quite a bit to get them, so very grateful and happy that we did it, because they were a lot better than what I had and what I was trying to make work. Let's do a little walk around there, and they're pretty much good shape. I mean, of course there's a couple things that are broke, but overall not bad. Like these starting to split, which sucks, but could be worse. At least it's still all there. I think this is the biggest problem with it right here. The spot where it had melted through and cracked. But I think I'll be able to fix that up. Shouldn't be too bad. Came with a graphic kit on it. So, of course, like most of them, where it mounts up, that's split. But, I mean, not bad enough where it won't work. So that's still good. Still, it's got the lower support mount. Other than that, on this side, it's good. This one's completely broke off, and I riveted a piece of metal to it. Which is still fine. Still work good. The piece where the rubber connects is gone, so I zip tied it together. That should be good. Other than that, this side's good. For the rear fenders, I think just that burn through was the biggest part. Other than that, the rears are good. I got this hanger in this week also from Puma Shine. That guy does good work, and his price, you can't beat his price. Every part he has in there is priced 10 times better than anyone else. So I highly recommend them. You know, it's good solid work. Makes good products. Definitely think when I do end up rebuilding this one, he sells gusset kits. So I'll probably end up going that route. Get one of his kits. Pegs came in. RIS Designs. Nice fucking pegs. I like them. I like them a lot. Also got some Nerf bars in. I'll give them a little show too. It's my other set of fenders here, the ones I was buffing out with my other seat that I can't use because I don't have the 88, 89 hardware, which sucks. But it's the nice CT graphic kit, which is eventually what I want to use. I really like that graphic kit, so I want to fucking run it. So I got a set of Alba Nerf bars. I still got to get nets for them. Came with black ones, they're all ripped up. I also got this too, skid plate for the front on the bottom of the frame, but I can't mount the fucking thing. So I don't know what the fuck's up with that shit. I don't know if it's for an aftermarket frame or if fucking I gotta modify mine, or I must, because they won't fucking work the way they are now, that's for sure. So I got that CT seat cover. Here's those other front fenders I gotta still wet sand and buff out to go with the rear set that I just did. These ones are race cut, OEM. But another headlight. This is the one that was on it. See if I can get this off. Here's the one that came in with the other fenders. But I had another red one that had a part of the graphic kit on it that kind of matches the one that came with the fenders, so figured I'd swap them out. But nice fucking headlight. Shell's in great shape. But I just picked this up. So it's the red CT Pro Cross graphic kit. The only problem with it is it's already been used. Somebody pulled it off, threw it on wax paper, hoping to save it, I'm guessing. And stickiness is gone. But that's not a complete loss. That's fine. I definitely bought them knowing that. And I bought them as a template. So I can have somebody remake them with ease too. So hopefully get a couple kits made up, because I haven't been able to find any out there. So hopefully I'll be able to get some made and slap one on my bike, maybe sell one to somebody out there, and keep everyone happy. Oh, is that a good little girl? This is Trixie. That's our little monster there. She's a piece of work. She's trying to understand me, I guess. Is that a good girl? Is that Trixie a good girl? She's a pugapoo. Pug poodle mix. She'll fucking rip you up finger by finger. So yeah. Back to the main thing I was doing. Oh, she's coming out good. I just can't. I got an LSR axle in the fucking garage there. I still gotta throw on it. Slap the fucking rear end out a little bit. And I still have those Gibson front A-arms along with the Axis triple rate front shocks. But those are gonna I can't put the front end on yet. The guy that makes the bushing kit is out on vacation, I guess, till the end of the month. So I can't buy a bushing kit to do the arms, so those will be at a standstill for now. But yeah, just wanted to, told you guys I was getting some new fenders, so I wanted to do a little update. I think I'm gonna go take it for a little rip right now. Still looking into getting a GoPro or something along them lines, so that I am going for a rip. So fucking, I wish I'd be able to bring you guys with me, but oh well, in the future. Well, if you like it, you know, keep on watching, like them, subscribe, send fucking recommendations, anything. If there's any of my bikes that you see that I have and you need something done and I can help you, I will absolutely make a video. Well, that's it there. Have a good Memorial Day weekend, guys. We'll be back.